sabíamos que una semifinal es un contexto diferente a lo que es un partido en una liga regular.
We knew that the playoff is a completely different story to a league match.
Durante 180 minutos puede haber momentos buenos y momentos malos. Es imposible que un equipo tenga 180 minutos buenos.
Throughout the 180 minutes there can be bad, good moments. It's impossible that a team goes through only good moments.
Y lo importante es mantenerse como equipo trabajando de una forma colectiva durante esos buenos momentos. Es mucho más fácil, pero sobre todo durante los malos.
And the most important thing is keep working and keep playing as a team, as a whole, during the 180 minutes, during the good moments. That is easy, but also during those bad moments.
El inicio no fue el que deseábamos, empezar perdiendo, pero me quedo y estoy muy orgulloso de la reacción del equipo a partir de encajar un gol y cómo desarrolló el resto del partido.
The beginning wasn't what we expect, wasn't that good, but I'm very happy, very proud of that reaction, and then the way the team get the game going.
The same thing that I said after the game, and I agree with Lobera. So let me say again to try to explain myself better. In football and in life, we can never say never. I think yes, we have a chance. We have a small chance to change the results.